Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix DarkSwitch game not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not responding error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you can go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart, and then after your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, double click on it, and then check whether the game is opening or not. But if the game doesn't launch, you should run the game as administrator. For that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue continues again, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether the problem is fixed or not. But if the game still doesn't launch, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So it will repair corrupted, missing or damaged files that cause crashes, bugs or missing content. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture here. Next is to update Windows. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option, click on check for updates, and it will check if there is any update available. Wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Click on a repair, wait for some time. After it is finished, close this, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game again and then check if the game is launching or not. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select Custom Size. In the initial size, type 12288, and in the maximum size, type 24576. Click on Set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for Settings. Here you have to search for graphics settings. After it is opened, you have to click on add a desktop app so that you can add your game to the list over here. So add your game, and after adding your game to the list, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall DarkSwitch game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC completely. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall DarkSwitch game, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.